Kuala Lumpur's best green escapes. With soaring towers, condo complexes and mammoth malls crowding the streets and skyline of Kuala Lumpur, KL, it's reassuring to know that Mother Nature continues to have a significant stake in and around the Malaysian capital. What other city, for example, has a pocket of primary rainforest at its heart that's home to a troop of silvered leaf monkeys? KL Forest Eco Park. It was just under 160 years ago that 87 Chinese prospectors paddled up the Klang River in search of tin deposits, thus establishing the settlement that would become KL. If the ghosts of those men return to the city today, the one spot they would likely still recognize is the KL Forest Eco Park, a lush island of primary forest surrounded by some of the city's most expensive real estate. Tun Abdul Razak Heritage Park. Nature tamed and shaped into pleasing, tiger-free vistas was what Alfred Venning, Selanger's state treasurer, had in mind when he gained permission from the colonial administration to create a botanical garden around the Sungai Bras stream. That 1888 project resulted in the Lake Gardens, a 101-hectare green district now officially known as the Tun Abdul Razak Heritage Park, after Malaysia's second Prime Minister. Titiwangsa Lake Gardens. KL's second Lake Gardens Park, Titiwangsa capitalizes on its setting on the northeast fringe of the city. The views across the mirrored surface of the lake towards the distinctive outlines of the nearby Theatre Istana Budaya and, further away, the Petronas Towers and Menara KL, are stunning, particularly at dusk, as the city's night lights flicker into life. Westwards, there are also grandstand views of the capers at Sinchil East, a wavy-shaped pair of condo towers which stretch up 40 stories. Popular with courting couples who come to stroll around the lake edge, Titiwangsa also has a jogging track, exercise area and plenty of options for floating on the lake, from regular rowboats to giant transparent spherical balloons. Forest Research Institute of Malaysia. At Kapong, 16 kilometers northwest of central KL, is the Forest Research Institute of Malaysia, FRIM, established in 1929 to conduct research into the sustainable management of the country's rainforests. Covering 600 hectares, this lush compound includes the remains of an old settlement of the Orang Asli, the indigenous people of Malaysia, arboretums, and a pond that's home to a giant arapama, a South American freshwater fish. The Quartz Ridge. Superb panoramic views of the city in one direction and of the Klang Gates Reservoir in the other are the reward for summiting Bukit Tabur, on the northeast fringe of the city near Taman Melawati. The hill is 386 meters high, but it's a challenging hike as it follows the world's longest pure crystal quartz outcrop. Taking around 3 hours, the trail is not for the unfit or faint-hearted, with potentially lethal sheer drops off the mountain trail into the dense surrounding forest and short sections where you'll be clinging to ropes to negotiate the steeper sections of rock.